Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIEBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics in National Ideal Innovation School, morning shift. My dear student, today I shall take a math class for the student of class 5. Our today's topic is chapter 3. My dear students, in our class we shall solve on C.B.Q from chapter 3, which is C.B.Q number 3. This is your CW. My dear student, there is a good news for you because there is no SW. Okay, there is no SW. You must do your assign CW class regularly from YouTube and do practice regularly at home, because my dear students, you have already noticed that our examination will be cancelled. For this reason, assignment will be provided by your school authorities. So you must follow your YouTube class and live class also. So my dear students, today is our lecture number 41 of annual term. Before starting our class, at first we read the question. Notice C.B.Q number 3. It is so easy questions. We have already done a lot of times of this math. Okay. Question number 3. Divisor is 78. The quotient is 25 and remainder is 1/3 of the divisor. I repeat, divisor is 78, quotient is 25 and remainder is 1/3 of the divisor. Question number A, determine the remainder. Okay. Question number B, find out the dividend. Question number C, if dividend is 8903, remainder is 29 and divisor is 3 times of the remainder, determine the quotient. So my dear students, at first we notice a division. 2 divided by 5. In 5, 2 goes in 2 times, 2 2s are 4. That means subtract 1. My dear student, this is called divisor. Okay, this is called remainder. This is called quotient and this is called dividend. Okay, dividend. Okay, so my dear students, I repeat, this is called divisor, this is called dividend, this is called quotient, this is called remainder. Okay. So here you notice divisor is 78, that means this one is 78, quotient is 25, that means this one is 25 and remainder is 1/3 of the divisor. That means if we divide this 78 by 3, then we get the remainder. Question number A, determine the remainder. Just like this we find out the remainder, that means we divide this divisor by 3 and we get the remainder. Find out dividend, we know the formula of dividend. Quotient, we multiply this divisor with quotient and then added this with the remainder and finally we get the dividend. Okay. So at first we solve question number A. Question number A, here determine the remainder. First of all I write given that divisor is 78. We need to find out remainder. By remainder is connected with divisor here. Here notice remainder is 1/3 of the divisor. Okay, my dear students. Okay. Now notice remainder equal to 1/3 of means multiplication, divisor. Here you notice 1 by 3 multiply divisor is 78. Now we divide this 78 by this 3 or we cut this 78 by 3 and we get the answer. Notice in 78 3 goes in, 3 2s are 6. If we subtract then we get 1, that means 18. In 18 3 goes in 6 times, 3 6 are 20, so 26 is the remainder. Okay, I hope you have understood and this is the answer, 26. Okay, this is question number A. Question number B, find out dividend. Okay, In order to find out dividend, we need this information, that means remainder is 26. So at first we write from A we get, remainder is 26. Okay, remainder is 26. Now I write given that divisor equal to 78 and quotient equal to 25. My dear students, now we know the formula of dividend. We know that dividend equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Okay, so here divisor is what? 78. Now write here 78. Quotient is what? 25. Now write here 25. Remainder is what? 26. Now my dear students, at first we multiply these two numbers, 78 by 25. Here I write here. Okay. Now 5 8s are 40. Carrying 4, 7 5s are 35 plus 4. It will be 39. Now once place is done, next we shall multiply 78 by 10's place, that means 2. 7 8s are 16, carrying on 7 2s are 14 and on 15. Okay, so now I add 0 9 and 6 15, carrying 1 5 3 8 and 1 9 and this one. So if I multiply 78 by 25, then I get 1950. Now write here 1950 plus 26. Now my dear students, notice 1950 plus 26. We add 6 plus 0 6, 2 plus 5, that means 7 and 9 1. So 1976, and it will be the dividend of this question. So now write answer as our solution is done, 1976. Dear student, it is the solution procedure of question number B. Next we shall solve question number C, just like this one. Okay, so first I erase this. Question number C. My dear students, first of all we read the question. If dividend is 8903, so first of all I write given that dividend equal to 8903, remainder equal to 29 and divisor is 3 times of the remainder. So write divisor equal to 3 times, means multiply sign of the remainder, remainder. Okay, so 3 multiply, what is the remainder? Remainder is 29. So we multiply 29 by 3 and we get the divisor. Okay, so 3 9s are 27, carrying 2, 3 2s are 6 and 2 8. So divisor is 87. Now we find out the quotient. We know the formula of quotient. What is the formula? Now we write. We know that quotient equal to dividend minus remainder, okay, divided by divisor. Okay, what is dividend? Dividend is 8903. Remainder is what? Remainder is 29. Okay, then divisor is again 87. Okay, now I subtract 9 to 13, it will be 4, carrying 1. This one is added with 3. Okay, now 3 to 10, it will be 7. Okay, it will be 7. Carrying on, this 1 is added with this 0 and it will be 1. 1 to 9, it will be 8. Okay. Now this 8 is placed here. So if I subtract 29 from 8903, then we get 8874. So dear students, I do it again. 9 to 13, it will be 4. Carrying on, this one is added with 2, it will be 3. 3 to 10, 7. Carrying on, this one is added with here, and 1 to 9, it will be 8, and this 8 is placed here. After that, we divide this 87 by 87. Okay. Now you write here 87 divided by 8874. So at first we take 2 digit. In 88, 87 goes in 1 times. 87 on the 87. Now we subtract and we get 1, and 7 is placed here. My dear student, we know we can place only 1 digit from this on this place. So 7 in 17, 87 goes in 0 times. 87 zeros are 0. Now subtract, I get 174. In 174, 87 goes in 2 times. That means 174. So 102 is the quotient of this answer, and it is the answer. As our solution is done, then we write answer. Okay. So my dear students, I hope you have understood my today's lecture. We have already done this math in our previous class, and it is so easy, and if you solve this math only 2 or 3 times, that it will be so easier for you to understand. So my dear students, please listen to me. You must do your assigned YouTube classes. Okay. If you don't do, then you will not gather so much knowledge about it, because based on your subjective knowledge, you will be provided assignment soon. So you must do every chapter very carefully. Like if you don't understand in any portion, please make a phone call to me. My phone number is given on the board. So my dear students, please keep practicing at home, abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.